yun. Diretso ako ka na
Hello guys, today I will open this Pokemon pack. Sorry about my baby brother, he kind of got injured, but here's the Pokemon pack. I'm gonna open it. Let's open it. Open it.
Dala din eh.
I do not know.
Huwag na kumuha niya. Isa na, aray na na.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Ano bang gagawin? Aray, ganda liga?
Lalagyan ko ito ng card.
Aray, lagay ang account mo.
Here's the pack. I can already look at the pack here. Here's the pack. Let's open it. Are you guys ready? Here. 3, 2, 1. Okay, 3, 2. Ooh, that card. Ooh. Pikachu! Mew! Wow, that's a perfect card.
Ikaw, dahan ba kayo mga taga ulit?
Gira!
Tama na,
Is it
madami.
gonna be the shiny Charizard GX? Kuya, nandun. Ooh! Nagawa ko na din, kuya. Wow. So we have these two cards, and the video's not done yet. Come here, Baba. And here, that's yours. Here, I'm gonna put the Pokemon cards here at the side.
Dahan.
Sit here.
Ayo, kuhan na. Wala tayong
Sit here.
magagamit.
No. Right here. And guys, here's my sister. I'm gonna show you some packs that I have opened. I opened like 4 packs. 4 packs. Here's Mew GX. So cute. I think it's so cute.
Kuya, anong kinain mo doon sa iyong mami?
And I got this.
Iimisin ko muna ito. Ayan,
If you
cheese
sell
at
this,
saka
you get
rice, ha?
thousands of dollars.
Hindi ka kakain ka pa nga ulit.
I think it's
Kakain ka pa?
$10,000 or like
Let me
more.
see
I
it.
don't
Ha?
know.
She got.
Kakain ka ngayon. Subuhan
While
kita.
she's looking,
She's.
I
Have
also
Kakain ka.
got
Susubuhan kita.
Mewtwo.
0. Oh my god!
I got Mewtwo. 320. Here, I also got Mewtwo GX.
Let me count it.
Baba, yan ay malulubat na. Hindi nag-charge yan. Yung cellphone.
3,
Pinag-charge sa iyo. Hindi mo naman ibinigay
1,
sa
6.
akin.
Ay, she got 3, 1, 6.
Guys, the video and I sorry I didn't got time to open
Because
to show you guys all the packs. Bye bye. See you later. See you in the next video. Bye bye.